Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this series of video we are going to learn about Office script and name range. So in this fifth video we are going to finally learn how to delete name range. Okay, so we have read all of this name range, we have modified it, and at the end we are going to delete this. Okay, so one more thing, that we already have categorized name range. So just to give you some ideas, that if you want to delete all the lambdas, then you can do that. Just you need to categorize it, right? Or if you just want to remove all these range references, then you can do that as well. So that will help this categorize videos. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to delete all name range. Okay, and this is a destructive action. So if we run this once, then it will remove all the name ranges. Okay, so if we run again, then we don't have actually name range. So let me show you how can we delete all of this name range. Okay, so I'll just delete all of this actually. So let me start from fresh. Let's say if I just want to delete local scope name range. Okay, how can we do that? So what we need to do, we need to look through each sheet, right? So get worksheet will retrieve me all the worksheets, and now I need to look through each worksheet and see. Now for each worksheet, get names dot for each current name. We need a callback function on this, so we can just say current name dot delete. That's it. Now if I just run this, we know we have one local scope name range, and that is this one. Now let me run this. Now if I run this, then if I go into this formula and in this name manager, you can see that local scope on is removed, right? So, and you can see this is name error. Now I can just use the same idea, okay, and that is just copy this part, and let's add for this workbook, and it will remove all the name range from both worksheet and work. Now if I go into this formula, name manager, then you can see it's blank. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any question. Don't forget to subscribe and share this content in your community. Have a good day.